Hey guys, it's Football Beast 34, and in my pocket there is Nick Heim. Go subscribe to his channel. And I just got an RC boat from New Bright. It doesn't go that fast. I mean, like 5 miles an hour or something. But the propeller, like, look at it. It's so small. Where is it? Right there. And there is the boat itself. Let me put it in the water. Right there. And let's get this thing started. Say hi, Nick.
What?
Say hi.
Hi.
Here we go. Whoa. Sorry if it's not the best camera angle. What the heck is that?
What?
The beep 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 beep.
That's the phone.
Alright guys, I'm just doing laps around. If you haven't told, you can tell. I think it's about a foot and a half long. Made by New Bright. You can get it in any Benny's, Walmart, whatever the heck you want to get it. And I mean, the thing goes pretty fast for a small propeller. I mean, it probably goes maybe like, crash, maybe goes like 5 miles an hour, but I mean, I am going to eventually make a video on my Traxxas, and actually, believe it or not, it's not even on gas, but it actually goes 70 miles an hour, no lie. Right, Nick?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to bring this puppy over, and I'm going to upload this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.